In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Pixma TR4750i printer. You will see the warning light on the top and also the error 1300 on the printer screen. Easiest way to take the paper out is to go to the back of the printer. Open this section. So open it, lift the printer up and just take the page out from here. Do little bit effort. So you can see we can take the half of it out. Just close it. Go to the front side. Open the ink chamber and try to take out the paper. Now close it. Go to the printer display panel and press the OK button. So this way we can take the paper out and we can fix the jam. Thanks for watching.